In this page, you can configure your default language for all chats in UExpo. For example, I will change my language to Chinese. And when I open the call center option in the menu, I will see that the language has been updated for Chinese. At the same time, if I change the language in the specific chat field, for example here, I will change back to English. The change will apply only to this chat and not to all chats of the system, and this will not change my default language. For example, if I back here and refresh the page, I will see that the language still is Chinese, and in the chat, the language is English. But however, if I updated my default language again for another one, for example, I will change for Arabic here and open the call center again, we will see that the language is changed for all chats again.